Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Scenery Workshop. This will be the last name change I will have, by the way. Today I'm doing part 3 of my castle build, and what I'm going to be working on today is the tower here. So basically I've had quick measurement, and what I'm going to do is basically have it 4 inches square, about just obviously as tall as this ramp here, so the bridge can be lowered down onto it. And then I will make a secondary structure going on top, so it's kind of looking down over the ramp and able to, obviously the bridge will need to be lowered down from both sides, so I'll have to think about that as well. Okay, so what am I going to be using today? I'll just get rid of this. So because I'm cutting, I'm going to be using my big cutting mat. Now, if you're working on a surface that's quite slippery, this is a old kitchen trick. My background is working mainly in the food industry, and myself and the chefs would always use this. So if something's slipping, all you have to do is just get a thin cloth, dampen it, just lay it flat, put your cutting surface on, and there you go. No more slipping. It takes a lot of force too. I mean, you can obviously move it, but once pressure is on, it's not going to move. Anyway, I'll just... there. Second thing is my utility knife. Very sharp. If you're ever handling sharp items, be very, very careful. Have an adult present at all times if necessary. I'm thinking for the bridge, I'm going to use these coffee stirrers. Pencil metal ruler. And to make sure I get everything nice and square. Triangle. Now, to make the bridge lower and raise, I believe I'm going to use these. And I've also found these little plastic washers. And as you can see, they do squeak. But I'll attach these somehow to the side of the first layer of the tower, then attach a washer either side, and lay the bridge, coffee stirrers for the bridge that way. Then, well, yeah, you'll see. And for the main tower itself, I'm just going to be using this foam board. Okay guys, I'll do it in double time again. So let's get started. Okay, and that's most of it complete. So that's the base. It's not just that, it comes in 3 parts. I'm not going to completely assemble it yet. So that's the base. The bridge will sit in this, as you can see. That does actually turn. So there's that, and there's a little lip there where the other drawbridge will sit on. Then there's this part here, which I've purposely made to look a bit worn down. That just sits on there. Like so. And then there is it all together. Let's just show you. So yeah, that's the main tower structure. I'll just show you how it looks on the board itself. So that sits there. Then when I build these walls, there will be another drawbridge from here going onto there, which will sit on the lip. And that sits on there. Then actually have that the wrong way around. Excuse the dog. There you go. I think he spotted someone outside. Anyway, so yeah. I hope you like this build video, guys. Just let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.